All right, now we're going to look at a squid. We're going to look at the external anatomy of our squid first. This portion here is our mantle. We have the two fins, two eyes. What I'm looking at right now is the dorsal side of our squid. We can tell it's the dorsal side. It has all of the dark chromatophores. We've got our pointy pen. This is its internal shell. Opposite side, the underside or the dorsal side of our squid, much lighter in color, and here is its siphon. We're going to take a closer look at its arms and tentacles. Squids are going to have 8 shorter arms. All of the arms are covered with many, many suckers. They extend from the base to the tip of the arm. Compared to a tentacle, tentacles only have suckers at the very tip or the club. There's a large difference in the number too. If we count these, it'll be somewhere about 10. An arm's going to have closer to 50 some odd different tentacles. Continuing with looking at our external anatomy, so we've got our 2 eyes. If we separate out, here is the radula, or the beak inside of this. Inside the beak or the mouth, we would find the radula, or the tongue of our squid. Now we're going to go on to the internal anatomy. To do this, I'm going to flip the squid over to the dorsal side. With my scissors, I'm going to cut through just the mantle. I'm not cutting the siphon. Okay, inside of our squid. Here we're going to have stomach. Silvery feature here. Is going to be the ink sac. 2 gills on either side. And this particular squid is a male. We've got lots of a white milky substance here at the top, which is his sperm. We push this off to the side, we should be able to remove and extract his pen. Use my scalpel here to loosen things slightly. Here it goes, and the pen is just going to pull right out. This pen is the squid's internal shell. It's much reduced, still very flexible. Feels almost like a piece of plastic. The ink people can write with. It's possible. I'm just going to cut it here with my scissors. Poke at it. There's our black ink. And here is our dissected squid. Okay, to compare the difference between our male and female squid. So again, this one here on the right was the male. We can see all the creamy, milky white sperm. Female is to the left. Here are her ovaries or reproductive glands. All of this yellow material would be the eggs.